Hello painting friends, Leigh here again. Welcome back to my studio for day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas Movies collaboration, and that's with Sue from Discovering the Art of Living. So I'll put a link to Sue's channel in the video description, and you can pop on over there after you watch this one and see what the other creators have done for this challenge. And today the movie theme that we have to use is It's a Wonderful Life, and it's an old movie. There's a line in the movie where the main character, George Bailey, says, "You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down." And that's what my painting is based on today. If you like art related videos, consider subscribing to my channel. I put out 2 videos every week. I hope you enjoy seeing how this painting was put together.